Purchase your tracks today.
Women, liquor, and drugs. I love what I love. I love what I does. Women, liquor, and women and liquor and drugs. I love what I does. Women, liquor, and drugs. Women, liquor, and drugs. She bad mom and dad, like Medusa, fuck Lucifer, dripping off her show. You know that I'm hitting. She digging the written. I missed you at that Unk show, but caught you at that Wale. Is this how you live in daily coca, reefer in Bombay? I must confess, mommy lifestyle kamikaze. I KO shows by the gold ropes, glow packs, nose up my nose while diversifying portfolios. Wake up in the morning to a bowl of them golden grams. I'm doing this until I can give a Grammy to Tammy and feed all of my family shit. I can do that right now. $500 on bottle service just to black out. I'm balls deep in the game, ain't no way that I can back out. I'm just trying to ride the wave, somebody pull the wax out. Let's start roasting and toast to women, liquor, and drugs, and the trivial tribulations that come with the lust. Women, liquor, and drugs. I love what I love, and I love what I does. Women, liquor, and drugs. I love what I love. Women, liquor, and drugs. I love what I love what I does. Women, liquor, and drugs. I love what I love what I does. What up, though? It been a minute, but my money right. Enough cake to make them hood rats act white. Enough coke to make them white girls not act right. Tonight, can we chill? No fist fights or bullshit. Cause that bitch body banging on booty got a full clip. I ain't trying to be rude, you look like you strip. Why don't you come back to the pad and let me give you a tip? And dick in ones and twos and fives. I've been too smooth since I was knee high. You don't believe me? Go and ask my nigga Levi. He the realest nigga, Spizzy another. Jimbo be a brother from another mother, but my mother loved that nigga like he was my brother though. Trying to talk man to man, can't you see I'm in my zone? All up in your city, they treat me like it's my own. Let's toast to women, liquor, and drugs, and what come with the lust. Women, liquor, and drugs. I love what I love what I does. Women, liquor, and drugs. I love what I love what I does. Love women, liquor, and women and liquor. I love what I does. Women, liquor, and drugs. I love what I love, and I love what I does. I said I said I said